Hello, Brian Comerford from Classroom Guidance. In this video, I will explain to you how the CAO actually works. I would love if you could subscribe. We create really appropriate and useful content for school leavers. And on top of this, to help save the planet, we pledge to plant a tree for every new subscription. As I've said many times before, the Central Applications Office or the CAO application process could be better. It's a blunt instrument that mostly only awards academic performance in exams. Having said that, if you're a school leaver and you want to study a third level course in Ireland, it's the only way you can apply. What you do next year is your choice, it's your responsibility, and it's your decision. You need to understand as much as you can about the courses on your CAO form and list these in genuine order of preference. You need to satisfy 3 separate criteria to get a college offer. 1, the college requirements. 2, the faculty requirements. And 3, the thing most people talk about, the points. The first requirement, college requirements, refer to the minimum entry requirement for certain categories of courses. For example, level 6-7 courses, you will need 5 06s in your Leaving Cert. And for level 8 courses, you will need at least 2 H5s and 4 06s. The second requirement, the faculty requirements, are specific course requirements. For example, a H4 in Irish for primary school teaching, or for most level 8 engineering courses, a H4 grade in maths, or for nursing, an 06 or a H6 in a science subject. The last requirement are the points. These are calculated from your 6 best results in your Leaving Cert. So behind me is Henry's CAO form for his level 8 choices. These choices are a little all over the place and are selected to demonstrate the different issues that can arise. If your CAO form looked like this, you might need to book an appointment with your guidance counsellor. Anyway, in preference 1, Henry has primary school teaching in DCU. Then he has computer science infrastructure in TUD Grange Gorman, then arts in UCC, then science in UCD, followed by science in Maynooth, followed by arts in SETU Waterford. Then he has sports science in TUS at Lone, then medicine in University of Galway, followed by culinary arts in TUD, and then lastly he has aerospace engineering in SETU Carlow. So Henry does his Leaving Cert. He gets 407 points. Well done, Henry. The results of note are a H5 in Irish, a H6 in maths, an 07 in French, and a H6 in chemistry. Now the CAO algorithms get to work and it finds out what course Henry will be offered. So for course number 1, primary school teaching in DCU, Henry gets the college requirements with having 2 H5s or better, but he doesn't get the faculty requirements because he came in with a H5 in Irish. And as we know, the minimum entry requirement set by the Faculty of Education in DCU is a H4, so there's no offer given here. So now the computer moves down to preference number 2, computer science infrastructure in TUD. He gets the college requirements, he gets the faculty requirements, which was a minimum of a H7 in maths. Phew, but unfortunately, he's 8 points short. Close, but no cigar, so therefore no offer. Choice number 3, arts in UCC. He gets the college requirements, but not the faculty requirements because he got an 07 in French. UCC require an 06 in a third language, therefore no offer given, even though he had the points requirement. Choice number 4, UCD Science. He gets the college requirements, he gets the faculty requirements with a H6 in maths and a H6 in chemistry, but he's a whole lot short in the points department, 159 points to be exact, therefore no offer given here either. Now to choice number 5, Maynooth University Science. He has the college requirements, the faculty requirements, I'm getting nervous, and the points requirement. He meets the criteria and gets an offer, hooray! And this is what they call a round 1 offer. Everything is satisfied, so the offer is given. If Henry filled in the level 6-7 list, he will get an offer in this list too, provided he satisfied the 3 criteria. It's time to celebrate, and Henry should accept one of these offers because he might not get another one. Back to the list. And something to take note of here is that every course below this offer is now deleted off the system forever. What about round 2 offers, I hear you say? Yes, some people, 2 to 3%, don't accept their offers. They change their mind, they go traveling, they have to work to save money, they defer their course. For whatever reason, they don't go to college, so the points can drop a little bit as more places become available. In this case, for preference number 2, computer science, Henry was just 8 points short. Around a week after his round 1 offer, in the second round, this course dropped by 11 points. Now Henry has the points to get in and he gets a round 2 offer. Now the courses between these two offers are deleted forever too, so be careful. He has a choice to accept the new offer or to stay with the original one. So there's a lot to think about here. Make sure you understand this process as it can be complicated. Make sure you know the timetable, the deadlines and the dates for the different types of applicants. For example, if your course is restricted, like courses that require portfolios, auditions, interviews, or other tests, like in medicine, architecture, art or music courses. Or you are a mature applicant, you need to have it completed by the 1st of February. Get lots of information about the courses, understand their structure, the modules in the courses. Go to the open days, otherwise you won't know what order of preference to put them in. If you put your courses in genuine order of preference, you will be fine. Don't worry about wasting points. That's a distraction in putting your things in order of preference. Put a safety net course. This is one that will definitely get the points, because you never know how things might go. So good luck. And if you found this video useful, I would, and the planet would appreciate if you could subscribe. Thank you.